Assalamu alaikum. In this video we are going to add animation rigging to our project, and we will definitely rig our objects, and we will use the animation rigging for focusing, for assembling the points on for the guns and the character. So we can go for Windows and we can go to package manager, and here inside the package manager, if we go to the Unity registry, and then we can type rigging, animation rigging, animation rigging. You can see we have a package here. We can click on install, and now this package will be installed. Okay, so now animation rigging package is installed, and you can see a menu over here. So first of all, we will add a rig to our soldier. So we'll select the soldier. We can name it the player, and I will also change the tag to the player as well. So it's not necessary for now, but I'm just making it now. And then we can go to animation rigging, and we will click on rig setup. So now you can see that a icon is appeared here, and if we extend this player, you can see that we have a rig 1 here, and with a weight like this. So now we will also we want to add rigs for the weapons. So we'll select all of these weapons, and we'll click on add component, and we'll go for rig transform component for all the weapons. So now rig transform component is added to all weapons. Now what we will do, we will just create 2 points for the weapons, and I will just hide this as alt1, and then for these other rifles, we will just select these alt1, and then we will just go to add create empty under this, and we will just name it right holder maybe. Okay, and then we can just point it out here somewhere here with the trigger. Okay, and now we will just duplicate this, and this will be the left holder. So let's bring it to left holder, and now this holder we can just place it for the left hand, maybe somewhere here, here. Okay, so yeah, that's great. Now we'll repeat this process for all of these guns. So I will just these two, right click, copy, and then for assault 2 I will just paste as a children. So where is the paste set, and paste as child, and then paste as child, and paste as child as well. Definitely we can actually arrange these as well if we want initially, and I will just select the second one, and you can see right holder, and the right holder for the second gun is, where is the trigger? So here is the trigger. Okay, so let's move it, actually move the gun itself, and let's move the gun back somewhere here maybe. Okay, and now if you can see right holder, we can just move it here, and for the left holder we can move it somewhere here maybe. Okay, so that's great. Now we'll just hide this gun as well, and for the third rifle I will recheck the first rifle. Okay, yeah, I think the position is fine. Yeah, and then for the second, the position is also for the third rifle, we'll just enable it, and now you can see that it is also not aligned, so just move it back and somewhere here maybe, and now we can just select the right holder. Let's bring it here, and the left holder will be somewhere here maybe. For the fourth rifle, we will again repeat the process, so bring it back, and then right holder. Yeah, you can see that this right position for this gun is a little bit back, so I will just move it here, and yeah, I think that's fine. Right holder will be somewhere here, and the left holder is fine, I think. Okay. So now I will just enable the other guns to recheck, and everything looks good, I think. Okay, everything looks good. Now we will move further to the rig itself. If you can see rig, and we will create a point for the rig. So I will go here in the player and create a empty, and I will just name it right hand rig, Control D, sorry, and then we will just name left hand rig, and we will place these rigs under the main rig. Okay, so now we will just select right hand rig, and we will add a component to bone IK constraint. Also for the left hand rig, we will repeat the process. We will just add to bone IK constraint, and in the right hand we will add the relative bones. So first of all, I will set up the Assault 1, which is the first weapon. So if we extend this, you can see that in the right hand rig we can just add right holder here in the target. Okay, so this is important. And now for the bones, we will extend the bone of the right shoulder, and you can see that we have a right arm, right forearm, and hand. So I will add right arm here, right forearm here, and right hand here in the tip. So now right hand is added. So for the left hand, we will repeat the process. So I will just add the left holder here, and now we'll just go to the left shoulder, and if we go to left arm, extend this, and now we just drag drop left arm here, left forearm here, and left hand here. So now we are ready to set up our first weapon IK. So now if we play the game, you will see that we can actually set up the weapon. Currently you can see it looks good, and if you go to scene view, you can see that the weapon is here. And one more thing is that actually weapons are by default straight, and that's good. And now we will just set up the right hand rig. So if we go to right holder, you can see we can move this holder like this, and for this gun we'll just move it a little bit back like this, and then we will just rotate it. So let's rotate it to match the overall gun. Okay, so something like this, and let's move it a little bit down, and bring it somewhere here maybe. little bit rotation is needed. I think it's like this and at this point. So now I think we are good to go. Definitely we can make it more good, but I think this looks nice. And just copy the component, because if we unplay the game, the whole setting will gone. So we'll go to copy and component, and then we'll just uncheck this, and then we'll just select the right holder and we'll paste the component values. So now if we play, you will see that the positioning will be good, I think. And now if we go to scene view, you can see the right hand, the position is fine. And now we will set up the left hand position. So here you can see this is the left hand, and we will select the left holder of the assault rifle, and we can rotate it, so like this maybe, and like this. Now it looks better, and this way, and a little bit out, and then a little bit back, and then we can rotate it, match our package of the gun. So I will just move it like this, and then we can just move it down. We can also set up the fingers in the same way we have set up the gun, but I think it looks good. For the thumb, you can set up the thumb as well, but for the main gun I think that is better, and later on we will fix this thumb position as well. Okay, so that, so we'll go here and copy component, and then we'll just go back, left holder, and paste the values. If you play now, you will see that our gun is fine, and if you go to scene view, you can see that it's handling our gun in a proper way. Okay, so that's great, I think. Now we'll set up the second gun. So first of all, we will just hide this gun, and now we'll enable the second gun. And for the second gun, if we extend it, you can see we have the rig hand rig. So the target is rig holder, so we will just add the right holder here, and for the left hand, left holder here. Okay, for this gun, this is a separate gun. And now if we play the second gun, so we'll play it, and we'll go to scene view, right holder, and we will fix the right holder from the second gun now, and we'll just move it out little bit, and then we'll rotate it to match the gun. So let's move it like this, and then move it move it to the trigger. So where is the trigger? Yeah, here it is. So let's bring it here, and we will just move it somewhere here maybe. And yeah, I think gun size, I think a little bit small, but anyhow, yeah, I think gun size now I think small, so I will change the size of these guns a little bit. I think maybe you can see in 0.2. So if we go for 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.25, 0.23, 0.23 and 0.23. Yeah, 0.23 is a good figure. Okay, so I will change the size and then resume the video. I think I should show you that how we can change the size. So we will go to the project. I will just hide this result 1 2 as well, and I will just choose all of the result and we'll just go for 2 3 2 3 and 2 3, sorry, 1 2 3. Okay, so now sizes of the changed, and we will check the result 1 again one more time. Okay, and I will just select all of these guns and will move these guns a little bit because now the size is changed, so the positioning is also changed. So I will just choose these guns and let's move it a little bit here, and also from upper side I think we should move. Okay, so now I will just check the gun one by one. So this gun, sorry, looks better. I will just move it a little bit, not too much. Okay, and now I will just hide it, and other gun I will just move it a little bit back. Yeah, here it is good. Then is R3, and then we have the Azart 4 rifle. Now again we will go for Azart 1 and we will fix the right and left holder. So before anything else I will go to right holder and add here, and for the left hand grip left here holder will be there. And now again I will set up this. So this video may be little bit lengthy, but I think that is necessary because we have to fix things. So now I think you can see that weapon size is better, and if we go to right holder we can just move it a little bit inside and inside and little bit up maybe. Yeah, I think this position is fine. Copy the component and scale, paste it, then again we will play, and now we will set up the left holder. So left holder, let's see the left holder, it's fine, but little bit we need it to be somewhere here, maybe a little bit up. Yeah, I think here it looks good. Thumb, we will fix the thumb later on, so don't be worried about that. I think here we are all good. Yeah. So little bit rotation I think we need, like this, maybe good. Okay, so now we'll just go here, copy component, and we'll just paste the values, and now everything good for the Azart 1. Now Azart 2, and we will fix the things like that. Right holder, and in the left hand rig left holder. Now we will play the game. We will move to the scene view, and now we will fix the right hand. So right holder, and then we'll just move it out, rotate it, something like this. and then we will just add it to the trigger. So here is the trigger, so let's bring it here and move it. This gun is actually a little bit smaller than the others, I think, because the triggers are too big as compared to the gun, but I think that will be no issue. So just move it here, and yeah, I think that's great. Little bit up and now it's fine. We will just copy the component, and now we will just paste the values. We will just play again. Before playing again, we already set up this as all two. No, I think we didn't set up the left holder, so we'll just go for play it again and go to the scenes, left holder, and we'll set up the left holder. So we'll go here to rotate. This is different, and we have to move it somewhere here, and now it's holding this object. Okay, so yeah, that's great, and we'll just move it somewhere here, and we'll just move it up and up. So now everything looks good. I think little bit rotation is needed, and then we can just move it down, and I think that is better. We can fix these fingers as well later on if we want, but I think yeah, I think we can rotate it a little bit, and then move it somewhere here, so that it can be okay. Now it looks better, I think, and a little bit out, little bit out, and now this looks good. So we can just copy this component, and we can just paste the values of these over here. Okay, so now I have set up all the guns and their right and left hands. Now you can see that if we go to the player, where is the player? Okay, you can see that guns are set up correctly. Definitely you can fix these bones as well, like finger and this thumb as well, and you can create some more rigs here for the thumb and for the finger, and then you can fix that manually as well as per the gun. But I think that is not very much necessary, so we will just keep it like this for now, and in the later videos we will move further. And yeah, that's it. I will just enable these alt1. Let's meet in next video. Goodbye.